ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
It's not going so fast actually.
He don't have a control on the accelerator. He doesn't know how much to press, how it goes. This is the speed. Okay. Another 1 year, another 2 years actually, 5 years plus. They'll have that. Okay. Maturity. Okay. That this much pressing. 5 years. ಬೇರೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು.